Hey, welcome to Chef Dawg. We are doing another review on an air fryer. You know, here at Chef Dawg, we love our air fryers. We were actually asked by one of you guys to do it on this specific air fryer. It's the Gourmia French Door XL digital air fryer oven. Now you can get this at Costco, and you know, if you watch Chef Dawg, we review all Costco and tell you what we think about it. It's normally 150 bucks. We got it 30 bucks off of that right now. So let's see, the date is 12/18/2022. So they're on sale right now. So we've been using this for about a week or so to try to get a good idea of how it works and what we think about it. Right off the bat, you can see it's a lot bigger. You got French doors. They open up. As far as like dimensions real quick, if it matters, it's 14 inches by 21 inches, and then it sits 13 inches. Now the opening, sometimes this matters. It's like 15-inch opening by about a 10-inch opening. The depth here is 14 inches, so 15 by 10 roughly. Now it comes with your air fryer tray, has a rack, and then also has the baking sheet. And then underneath it, down here, it is your crumb collector. Some pros and some cons. Let's start with, well, the pros are it's big. The cons are, what I've noticed is it doesn't cook as fast. It takes a lot longer to cook stuff than the other one that we had. Now we've replaced our old one with this one just because I like the size of it. You can cook more stuff in there, and like I say, pizza, we can go bigger as well, which I like. You also could bake in there like a turkey or a ham. So I like that, but it does take longer. Okay, and we'll show you a little bit of how this works. It's super simple as far as the digital air fryers go. We've had some others that were a little more cumbersome, but this one I like. So like, for example, you just turn it on. If you don't want to pick a regular one that's just a preset, you can just click air fryer, automatically puts you at 425 in 20 minutes, and from there you can adjust. And then you can adjust your time as well, you know, whatever you think you want to do, and then click start. Now it will start to preheat, and that preheat takes a while. Because it's bigger, that would make sense, but our old air fryer, it seems like it got hot immediately. But there you go. So it'll preheat. Once you start it, it'll actually heat up, and then it'll tell you when to add the food. So I don't know if we want to sit and wait through this or not. We're going to do some bread, so we'll actually probably show you here in a minute. But yeah, it's heating up. You can see from the top to the bottom. One thing is I've also been doing is I take that tray out, the baking one, which is fine. I probably should, so that it can circulate up through there better. I feel like that actually helps it heat up quicker. Okay, so click stop, and then cancel, it'll end it. So when you're done. So like, let's say we want to do fries. And click fries, automatically 425, 18 minutes, and just click start. See? So you can do that with any one of these, right? They're all gonna have their preset stuff. Simple, boom, boom, and you're off and running. It's really that easy. And you can cook all sorts of stuff in your air fryer. We love to cook toast. You notice also on this rack, if you can see, has little kind of ridges on it, so it lets it sit up off the rack a little bit. Popped up right there. I guess that's to help get some circulation underneath it too. But we're gonna cook some homemade bread. We'll see how accurate this is. Okay, so on the bread thing, let's start that. Go over here to toast. Now what it does, first thing that pops up is a 3, and that's talking about the different shades of toast. You know, the darker, the higher that number. I'm gonna put this up to like a 6, okay? And then all we do is click start. In the guide, you get this as well. It actually has a bunch of different, as far as your preset goes, of different like toast, seafood, all that, right? Oh, hey, what's going on? Error 00, oh, okay. I don't know what that was all about. I've never had it do that before. Whatever it did, it fixed and kicked back on. So we'll see if that happens again. Like the toast, for example, it goes up to 7 shades, and then it will actually say on here in the bottom, rack position, 3 or 4. Actually, every one of these right now is a 3 or 4. So again, it'll actually tell you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. That's the rack position. So pay attention to that with your recipes. See how accurate this is as far as timing goes. We got 4 minutes left. Okay, we'll be back in a sec. About 30 seconds away, so I thought I'd point out some other stuff. When you open this, it doesn't stop it, it keeps running. It doesn't turn off. So just keep that in mind. And also, there is not a light inside of there. Not a button for a light. Not that that hurts our feelings, but there isn't one like we've had on our others. Okay, so we're gonna be ready here in a couple seconds. See what it does. Ends, beeps at you. Okay, I'll come over here and I'll turn it off. And then let's see if we picked a shade 6 out of 7 for our toast. Did we get a 6 out of 7 on our toast? I would say probably did a pretty good job of it. A 7, you know, you're gonna picture that darker probably, maybe even semi-burnt. So 6 I would expect to be close to that, but it is nice, hard and crusty. I would say that's probably not a 6, that's probably more like a 4 to me, but if you can hear that, did you hear that? Yeah, it's perfect, I like it, but I would say that's probably not, in my mind would be a 6, that would be a little bit less than that. Okay, so the other thing, you notice that fan stops pretty quick too, we've noticed. Another thing to be cautious of, and it has a sticker right on the top there, hot. Super hot, like woo, really hot. The sides, not as much. This side, not hot, just slightly warm. Place anything up there that you don't want to catch on fire. I wouldn't place anything up there. So again, how an air fryer works, it heats up, circulates the air through there. Most of you probably already know that, but that's an air fryer. Dehydrate. I just like the fact that it's big. So for us, that's why we replaced our other one with it. I really like their recipe book. Not only does it show you how to cook it and all that, it actually gives you recipes, which is pretty cool. There's a lot of stuff in here. So overall, I think we're gonna be a big fan. We absolutely love our air fryers here at Chef Dawg. So again, you probably, if you watch our channel, you know that. So again, hey, thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Remember, like, subscribe, all those other fun things that make our channel grow, and we appreciate it. Have a good one. Hopefully you have a great Christmas. So Merry Christmas to y'all. Have a good one. Bye.